In this guide, I will be showing you guys where to watch every NHL playoff game. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that no single streaming service carries every playoff game. NHL playoff coverage is split between two broadcast groups, the Disney family of networks and the Warner Bros. Discovery family. This Disney side includes ABC and ESPN, while the Warner side includes TNT, TBS, and True TV. During the first and second rounds, games are divided across both groups, so you will need to access to both if you want to complete playoff coverage. The 2026 Stanley Cup Final will air on ABC, making Disney's coverage especially important this year. For the Disney side, one of the easiest options is ESPN's streaming service, which gives you access to ESPN and ABC coverage without requiring a traditional cable subscription. If you already subscribe to a live TV service that includes ESPN, such as certain streaming TV packages, you may already have what you need. For the Warner side, you will need to access to TNT, TBS, and True TV, which are available through streaming services that carry those channels. Some platforms also include sports add-ons that provide access to playoff broadcast. If you would rather keep everything in one place and avoid switching between multiple apps, a live TV streaming service that includes both Disney and Warner channels can be the most convenient solution. These allows you to watch every playoff game from opening round through the Stanley Cup Final with a single subscription. Before the playoff begin, make sure your subscriptions are active and your streaming apps are set up so you are ready to puck drop. So this is how you can watch the NFL 2026 playoff. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.